Hi, I'm Mr. O'Brien, and I want to talk to you a little bit today about your specific role in the Vernon Hills High School digital learning strategy, which is the Chromebooks, having Chromebooks in your hand, and our one-to-one pilot, which means one device, one student, so you have your own device. And what I want to talk to you about is your specific role for the rest of this semester. And your role, as you can see here on the screen, your role is to provide us feedback on a few things. First, the Chromebook itself, the device that we chose, the device that you have, the device that you're using. Also on your use, both here and at home. And when I say here, I mean, I've been walking down the halls the last few days and I see them out. I see you guys using them. So I want to know a little bit about what you're using them for, how it's going, how you like them. And also if you're using them at home, whether it's for schoolwork or other things, how are these things providing, a support for you as a student? We're going to ask you for feedback on class use. We're going to ask you about issues that you might be having, and we'll also probably every time that we get feedback from you, ask you about any ideas that you might have, because I'm sure there are things that you're doing with these that we hadn't really even considered, but are good uses of the Chromebooks. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to have kind of ongoing communication. And so I'm not going to say weekly, but periodically, your teachers are going to share with you a URL that will take you to a Google form, which you'll fill out, in just a couple of minutes. And the questions that I'll ask you will provide us with a lot of good information about how we're doing and to prepare us really for next year when everybody has a Chromebook. So if you have things that come up in between, especially issues, you don't have to wait for the next form. You can communicate with your teachers that are in the pilot. You can go down to IT if you have specific issues. You can come talk to me. Or if you have things that are going well and you are inclined to use Twitter, you can tweet about things that you're doing with the Chromebooks. I would ask that you use this hashtag VHHSDLS, Vernon Hills High School Digital Learning Strategy. And that way I can kind of keep tabs on some of the things that we have going on. So let's get into today's feedback. You can use this shortened URL. You can just type it right into the Omnibar. And this will take you to a form. And if you could just take a minute or two and fill out that form. If you are sitting in a classroom right now that's in the pilot and you don't have a Chromebook, I want you to fill out this form also. So when one of your classmates finishes filling the form out and submits it, they don't have to log out and log in. They can just hand you their Chromebook. You go to the URL. You fill out the form also. Have a great day. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.